Yeah, it's a Heil. This is the rebuilt 30 horsepower engine, the 57 oval. So yeah, it's night time. Just going to fit it. As you clearly see here, the oil filter wasn't shot blasted and powder coated because they didn't want to naturally get the sandblasting aspect into the filter pot here, so they didn't even do the bottom bit. So that's no problem. So I'll sort that out later on. I'll start remove it in a minute. It's just on there just for decorational perspective. Yeah, absolutely beautiful. Really, really nice. Also, I've cleaned out the inlet manifold part here, the heat riser. It's all sorted. Rebuilt the heads as well. Lapped back in the valves. New piston rings. Cleaned all the it's obviously fuel pump, distributor, engine case, muffler, coil. Everything's been cleaned basically, apart from the air filter. On the back here, you can't necessarily see in this light, but it's really super nice. Clutch, loads and loads and loads of tread left on that clutch. It's all powder coated tinware, all in black. Only thing I'm not quite sure about is this part here was powder coated as well, and I don't know if that's going to melt off once the exhaust gets going. I'm not sure, but you know what? For now, it looks absolutely spot on. So there's some bubble wrap on it, but yeah, absolutely beautiful. So there we go. So that's 6 volts. It's all good in there. Actually, one thing I do need to do is I do need to adjust the temperature on here so that it closes like that once the thermostat is in the sort of closed position, and obviously opens up to that position there. So I'll adjust that as well. Yep. All sorted, all new screws, tinware. Well, tinware's been painted, but all the new nuts and bolts, etc. That's beautiful. There we go. And see, I haven't even cleaned it yet. Just sort of built it, put it in, and then I'll clean it. Cool. So that's that. And then in here, nice and clean as well. Original style release bearing. Much newer 6 volt starter motor in there as well. And let's say I've cleaned it all out as well. New axle gators, cleaned the gearbox, greased the spindle, new genuine seal behind, new seal of course on the back of the flywheel as well. New gaskets, all that sort of stuff. Obviously I've got the clip for that once I've redone that. And I'll fill it with oil and we'll go from there. Nice one.